Welcome to our Google AdWords tutorial. In our 8th video, we'll discuss how to make bid changes in your advertising campaigns. In this video, we'll look at how to make bid changes in your AdWords account. Let me start by showing you exactly what I'm referring to. I have my two active campaigns here, my Antique Tables and Antique Chairs campaigns. To focus on the Antique Tables campaign, let's click through it. Once again, we've clicked through to the ad groups level, and here are our ad groups listed. And here is our default bid, our maximum cost per click. If you wish, you can edit this easily by choosing one or the other or even both of our ad groups. I'm going to choose just one, the Antique Tables ad group, and click on Edit Bid. And here you can see that you can set the maximum cost per click for the entire ad group. Let me change it to 6 cents rather than 5 cents per click. Actually, just before I save the changes, let's cancel that. That's pretty straightforward, but I want to demonstrate how it works when you make changes to multiple ad groups. If I select both of these ad groups, then click on Edit Bid, you see how it's displayed. If I wish to, I can change the bid across multiple ad groups. If I change this to 6 cents, I can change this to something else. I can price each one individually. Or if I want to make them all the same cost per click, say I want them to be 6 cents, I change this. And if I click on this button, all the ad groups listed below will be changed accordingly, as you can see. Another way of making changes is to click on the Edit All-in-One Box tab. You see that it lists the information in this way. Here's the ad group name, then 2 asterisks, then the maximum cost per click. And you can make changes to the text this way. So that's another option. Let's look at the text again. To the left of the asterisk is the ad group name, and the 2 asterisks act as a separator, and on the right is the maximum cost per click. Okay, let's save that. And now you can see that the changes have taken effect. So that's how you can change the maximum cost per click at the ad group level. If we then go into one particular ad group, let's just choose the Antique Tables ad group, and there's the maximum cost per click, and if you wish, you can also make a change here just by clicking on Edit. And on this screen it lists the maximum cost per click, and in this box it also lists the keywords. Let's cancel this. Now sometimes you may want to have different costs per click prices for different keywords. So from here, back in the Antique Tables ad group page, if you click on the Keywords tab, it shows you the maximum cost per click for each keyword. And right now, it's the same for all the keywords in our list. However, that can be changed. You can choose which keyword you want to affect. Let's say for the sake of this example, you want to change the maximum bid on this one, the Antique Table Broad Match keyword. Check that. Click on Edit Keyword Settings. There's the keyword. To set the maximum cost per click in this box, let's say I want to change this to 7 cents, and we don't want to change our destination URL, so I'm going to leave this field blank. Save changes. And now we can see that for this keyword phrase, the maximum cost per click is 7 cents, whereas it's still 6 cents for the rest of these keyword phrases. If you wish to change the cost per click for multiple keywords, Select the keyword phrases you want. Let me just click here to select all 6 of the keywords. And as you can see, there's effectively 2, antique table and antique tables, and I've selected each as a broad match, as a phrase match, and as an exact match. But to make our changes, we'll click on Edit Keyword Settings, and at this time I'm going to change it to 4 cents per click. Then if I click on this button, it copies that rate to all the other keywords in this ad group. And again, I'll leave the destination URL field empty because I'm not changing that. We scroll over to the Save button, save those changes, and there you go, the changes have taken effect. So that's a look at several ways you can change the cost per click bid prices at both the ad group level and even the keyword level if you wish to have that much control.